All right, we got 2 more babies going to their new homes today up in northern Arizona. So we're gonna get those babies so she can get on the road. Hello, goat lovers. This is Crystal with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats. What started with 4 chickens and 2 goats quickly grew into a lifestyle. So we moved, got more land, and of course, more goats. Follow our adventures as we grow our herd, our food, and our family. All right, Swiss boy is gone. He's gonna leave. And Cammie's little girl. And we're down 2 more babies. Morning, goat lovers. Today is Sunday, my day off. 6 in the morning. You guys can hear the roar out here. Had some family come in yesterday from Indiana, and a lot of family coming over today, so pretty excited about it. We're gonna get 2 5-generation pictures from Derek's side as well as my side. So we'll get to milking because there's a lot of things to do before about 20 people get here. Oh man. The roar of the babies. All right, I'm coming. May knows she's first. All right, we're gonna move these girls so we can get them grazing today. They're ready. All right. So everybody's gonna get here in a couple hours, and I gotta get started on the first thing we're able to have in, I wanna say 6 or 7 months from out of goat's milk. So we are gonna make some custard ice cream, and I'll leave that recipe, or the video rather, to that recipe in the description below. Derek and his grandma hanging out. Say hi, friend. All the milk junk babies. Are they trying to eat you, friend?
Oh, yes. They better have my 2 sticks untied. No way. Yes. Oh, man.
What do I have to do again? Oh, clutch the first, right?
Clutch the first.
Oh, this is a video? Oh,
No.
Say hello.
it's on video.
Go on YouTube and jumpstart my music career.
Guys, stop.
Darren.
Okay, what steps again?
Okay.
Clutch, I start.
Clutch
Put
to
it
start.
in first.
Put the gas in a little teeny tiny bit,
Right.
and then start letting go of
It's
the
in-
clutch, and then push in more
It's
gas
in-
at the same time.
It's in first.
Yes.
I can't just go.
No, you have to transition the clutch.
But it's already
Every
in
time.
first. So how do I put it in first if it's already in first?
This is just to get the car going, buddy. It's in first.
So what? So do I pull it down and up again?
No, you leave it there. Push the clutch in. Start the gas. Push the clutch in. Slowly, slowly. Oh. Dorks. Tom, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh, YouTube, not okay.
What do you think she said?
YouTube.
That's why I said hi. Are you learning how now?
He's gonna put on a seatbelt.
Just in case. Can't trust myself.
He can probably sit back there.
Blue Cactus, where the kids learn to drive stick.
Ow! Hey, stop it!
Hey, Darren, sit down.
He's tickling me.
Down, Darren. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's so confused looking. You can do this, son. Let's go. Take it back. I'll take it back. Pretty baby. And say hi. It's been a big day. Say bye-bye. So fun time is over. The family went home, most of them, and now it's time to do chores again. Looks like we got a couple of escapees. So we better get them. When your nephew's excited to wake up at 6 in the morning and do ranch chores. Very cool. Also very cool, I'm not milking, but 3 kids are. You're next, girl. These straps are amazing for unruly goats. Now he tightens them by hooking them right there on a screw. Like so. Now she can't kick the pail over. Ain't that right, girl? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing with your sunglasses?
You're gonna get your shoes wet, but it's all right. Thank you. Your mom will have your dad buy you some new ones.
If you can turn.
We came out to the creek to enjoy it for a minute.
To wear them on the plane.
He's back at it again. You say hi to everybody, Brock?
Hi.
Brock came all the way out here from Indiana to do chores. Every morning and every evening. He's doing pretty darn good.
Get the bucket.
You talking to me, Grandma?
Yeah.
I'm trying.
You have some pretty udders.
What's up, Emily?
I was gonna say she has big teeth.
She does, huh? They're nice.
Easier. I don't like it.
Miss Maddie. She can't see the babies. Hi, Iris. That is a really cool little holder.
It's a whole life saving.
Hi, Oscar.
What's up?
Hang on, Brock. It's bigger than you. Weighs more than you do.
She does.
Hi, Emily.
Hi.
How you doing, Brock?
It has been such a wonderful weekend with family. We got our generation pictures. We've been able to spend a lot of time with family, which is not something we get to do all of the time. So it's been very, very nice. Unfortunately, it's all coming to an end, and I do have to go back to work tomorrow, but oh well. So again, very eventful weekend with some family. We really enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next week.